कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम भगवान हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम हमें गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ॐ यं ब्रह्मा वेदान्तविदो वदन्ति परं प्रधानं पुरुषं ततने विश्वगतिकारणमीश्वरं वा तस्मै नमो विघ्नविनाशनाय। ॐ विनाधरे विपुलमङ्गलदानशीले भक्तार्तनाशिनी विरंचि हरीश वन्दे कीर्तिप्रदे अखिल मनोरथ दे महादेव विद्याप्रदायिनी सरस्वती नित्यम्। ओम सिद्धि बुद्धि परे भक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्रार्थे सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते। ओम लक्ष्मी करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुख संपदं मम चक्षु विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते। ओम जयंती मंगलाकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवरात्रि स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्परं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविज्ञानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुभवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम। जय विघ्नेश्वर हे नमो नमः। जय गणनाथ नमो नमः। सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। जय गणपति नमो नमः। जय विघ्नेश्वर जय गणनाथ नमो। सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। जय गणपति जय गणेश गणनाथ दयानिधि। सकल विघ्न कर दूर हमारी। प्रथम धर जो ध्यान तुम्हारी। तिसके पूर्ण कारज सारे। जय विघ्नेश्वर जय गणनाथ नमो नमः। सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। जय गणपति नमो नमः। लंबोदर गज भरन विनाह। कर त्रिशूल परशुवर धारी। रिद्धि सिद्धि दो चमर दुलावत। मूषक वाहन परम सुआर। जय विघ्नेश्वर नमो नमः। जय गणनाथ नमो नमः। सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति नमो नमः। ब्रह्मादिक सुर द्यावत मन में। ऋषि मुनि गण सब दास तुम्हारी। आत्मानंद सहाय करो नित। भक्त जनों के तुम रखवाले। जय विघ्नेश्वर जय गणनाथ नमो नमः। सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति नमो नमः। जय गणपति नमो नमः। जय गणपति नमो नमः। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी। कितना प्यार जगाती है। श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती। पग पग प्राण बचाती है। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी। कितना प्यार जगाती है। श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती। पग पग प्राण बचाती है। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी। तू ऋषियों की रिद्धि से। तू ब्रह्मा की भक्ति माँ। माँ जय माँ। माँ जय माँ। तो ऋषियों की रेखी से तो ब्रह्मा की भक्ति माँ, तो विष्णु की माया देवी, तो शंकर की शक्ति माँ, तो हाथों से भाग जगाती भागी भागी आती है। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है। श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती, पग पग प्राण बचाती है। माँ तेरी ममता कितनी महाकाल दुर्गा, तू है बाल भवानी माँ। माँ जय जय माँ, माँ जय जय माँ। काल दुर्गा, तू है माँ। तार शारदा, तू वे आज जय माँ। जय जय माँ, जय जय माँ, जय जय माँ, जय जय माँ। श्री कृष्ण शरणं मम, श्री कृष्ण शरणं मम, श्री कृष्ण शरणं शरणं मम, श्री कृष्ण शरणं मम, श्री कृष्ण शरणं मम। We do on from the pamphlet that you were given, the second version, Arjan Devi today being Sunday. ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान, आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान। ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान, भगवन राह दिखारे, भक्त कर रे से पहचान,
ज्योति से पहचान, आज अंधेरे में हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान।
हम तो है संतान तिहारे, प्रभु संतान तिहारे।
हम तो है संतान तिहारे, प्रभु संतान तिहारे। तेरी दया पर हम अधिकारी, प्रभु है हम अधिकारी। तेरी दया पर हम अधिकारी, प्रभु है हम अधिकारी। दुनिया हो यीशु की हमारी, दुनिया हो यीशु की हमारी।
ऐसा दे वरदान,
ऐसा दे वरदान, आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान।
हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे,
हरे
राम हरे राम,
राम राम हरे हरे,
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे
हरे, हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे। तेरा दर दर जाए को, तेरा दर जाए
पिंजरे के पंछी तेरा दर दर जाए को, तेरा दर दर जाए
बाहर से तू खामोश
भीतर भीतर रोई रे, ओ भीतर भीतर रो, तेरा दर जाने को, तेरा डर डर जाने
कह
न सके तू अपनी कहानी तेरे भी पंछी क्या जिंदगानी रे ओ
कह न सके तू
अपनी कहानी तेरे भी पंछी क्या जिंदगानी रे विधि में तेरी कथाई की आंसू में करम डुबो तेरा डर डर जाने को तेरा डर डर जाने गुजरे के पंछी रे तेरा डर जाने को तेरा डर डर जाने
चुप
छुप के रोने वाले रखना छिपा के दिल की चाहे रे ओ छुप के रोने वाले रखना छिपा के दिल की चाहे रे ये पत्थर का देश पगले कोई न तेरा हो तेरा डर डर जाने को तेरा डर डर जाने को पिंजरे के पंछी करवे बस तो लक्ष्य करम भी सरस्वती करम मूले त्यो गोविंदा प्रभरे कदर एक हार गया उससे पार गया पार गया उससे पार गया उस पार गया तो कुछ न मिला तो जाने को मन की बदिया मैया कौन दिला मैया कौन दिला मैया कौन मिला मैया कौन मिला जय जय माँ जय जय माँ जय जय माँ ओ जय जय माँ दुर्गा माँ लक्ष्मी माँ शारदा माँ जय 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 माँ ना चंदा में न सितारों में ना देखत में बहारों ना
Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
Sitaram one and all. So the immediate family and relatives have performed the required rites and rituals. At this point we proceed. I just inform we have with us Pane Satyanan Gosain, am I correct? Yeah? Right. So at the request of the family that he makes a contribution on this occasion. So, Pandiji.
प्रेम से बोलो कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की officiating Pandit Shri Balaramji, his Dharam-Patni. It's a long time we haven't met physically, but I've always been seeing you on TV, and you look well.
Thank you.
To the members of the family, at the very outset, I say condolences on the passing of the mother of this home. The name Auntie Golly is a very synonymous name in the community of Barataria. Her parents were renowned individuals. Dara Dandan, as I would lovingly call him, the Padarat family, and his consort, Nani, I would affectionately call her, they live exemplary lives. Dara Dandan, a storehouse, a stalwart, not only in the community of Barataria, but his voice echoed throughout the length and breadth of Trinidad and Tobago. Auntie Golly, being unified with Uncle Ramesh, Uncle Goli, I don't know how to get that better known as Golly and Goli. However, a wonderful pair. Even though this is the election time, I know they would have changed constituency of Barataria, maybe Shagwanas West or East, I don't know. People have changed constituency and still vote in the same area. Nevertheless, the point I want to make is that it never lost touch of the community of Barataria and the people of the surrounding area. If I look around in the audience this morning, I saw people of Barataria coming in groves, which echoed the sentiment that Auntie Golly and Uncle Goli, they never lost touch. Two hard-working individuals. Anything happens in Barataria, they are always there. Their children, which they brought up in this world, I know all of them. Namely, the deceased Sanjay, my dear friend and brother, and Ajay, my second friend and brother. The rest I know them by name, but these are the people that I have great relationship with. Even though it was difficult to be here this morning, I told my mother, Ma, we must come. Because this family has always stood at our side over the many years. And now that they are in difficulty, we have come to show our support. If we look around in society today, my dear friends, people are dropping like flies. People are dying one after the other. Mostly in our community of Barataria, the aged people, don't want to call them old, but the aged people, one by one, they are leaving us. Leaving us behind with the younger ones. And I want to reach out to the younger ones. In years gone by, our grandparents, they toiled, they lived together. I could still remember and see vividly in my eyes when Dara Dandan would take off his Wilkerson hat and touch the dolak and put his hand by his ear and start a Rati di Biraha. Up to today, I can remember that. And they grew as a community. They grew as a village. And this is lacking in our society. This we must never fail to reach out to each other, not only in time of difficulties, but also in good times. I am not here to give a lecture, but Panditji, thank you for giving me this opportunity. It's a wonderful family. I know the loss of your mother will be very great. Now that she has left her father behind. You know, if I may dare say that, Panditji, please bear with me, that when a woman dies in a marriage and she's allowed to go as a suhagin, you know, as a bride, where the husband is here, that 7 janma, the 7 times of reconnecting, will be reconnected. So my dear friends, even though she is no longer here, her ethics, her principles, the love and sentiments which she shared amongst her family and community, I am sure that it will live forever in our hearts and our minds. My dear friends, the only time someone dies for us is when we kill them in our minds. Individuals like these, their memories will forever linger in our hearts. Let those memories remain with us. And as we say farewell and bid farewell, we do hope that her soul find peace and merge with the Paramatma, God divine. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you very much, Pandit Satyanand. And now upon the request of the family, I call upon our brother Mitra. Prakash? Okay, where is he? Okay. So Prakash.
Officiating Vyas, Sri Pandit Balaram Prasad, our Guru Mai, my dear brother Sri Pandit Satyanand Gosain, other Reverend Pandits, members of the bereaved family, fellow mourners, I'm here to express my condolences to this family also, on behalf of my family. I must say that, as Pandit Satyanand mentioned, that there are many people from Barataria around here this morning to pay their condolences. The part of Barataria that we all came from was a very humble part, the lower part of Barataria, and we all grew up as closely knitted families. This family has been a most ardent supporter of our temple at the Barataria Vishnu Mandir, 9th Street, where during my tenure as president, they were very supportive to me. And to add to all to this also, 3 of the major altars that were erected at the Vishnu Mandir, the Lord Ganesh, Lord Shiva, Lord Hanuman, altars, they were built by this family. During our times, we had many yajnas being held at the temple. And as Pandit mentioned, Sanjay, Ajay, Vijay, Jay, Reshma, Ria, they all were there supporting and giving full support. Sanjay heading all the decorations and so. His mother, she was there with all the ladies preparing and so. Tanti Leela is here. She can vouch also for that. Mataji of Pandit Satyanand Gosain. They all work together to make a community as it's prospered throughout the years. So with these few words, we must say goodbye to our dear mother of this home. And as Pandit mentioned, her soul, of course, will be merged with the Paramatma, Sri Krishna Ji. Shri Ramanam Satya Hai. Shri Ramanam Satya Hai. Shri Ramanam Satya Hai. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Bhai Prakash, for those kind words. I now call upon Reshma and Ria. R and R. Okay.
Sitaram devotees, first of all, thank you for being here with us.
We appreciate the warmth and love. I just want to say a few things about my mom on behalf of my brothers, my dad, all of our family, my sister-in-law, and her sons-in-law and grandchildren. On the 2nd of March, 1950, a girl was born to Mr. Dandan Padarat and Mrs. Maya Boy Padarat, both deceased at the time, right now. She attended the El Socorro Hindu School and then the Lakshmi Girls Hindu College. She attended a secretarial school then. It was the norm, something that they did. She loved it. She met Daddy. They dated for 2 years. This is what she told me. They dated for 2 years, approximately. They got married. And they had 6 children. Mommy never worked a day in her life. She was a housewife and a great one at it. She was an exceptional mother, all balanced. Everything in our home was always balanced. All her roles. Everybody knows, and who don't know, my mother was an unmatched cook and chef. Everybody loved her food. I'm asking her since the other day, how do you make certain things? What is the recipe? It's so strange that I was. So Daddy said, no, you all have to be creative and do your own thing too. So we'll have a different taste, you know? So I don't know how that will go. We'll see. But anyway, she came here. She lived Barataria. We were born, we grew up. She brought us up, she and Daddy. And then we moved here, as Uncle Prax just said. We've been living here for 24 years this year. And she loved it. She loved both places. And she's my liming partner, by the way, she and I. She came here for her expansion and growth, as we all are here for. Mommy stood tall in her truth of her life. She honored our family's values, all of her and Daddy, our family values, everything they wanted us to be. She honored that and made us what we need to be. And she always tell me a few things, you know, like if 99 bad things happen and one good thing happen, let's talk about the one good thing then and just feel good about everything. And she was fun. Mommy was fun and exciting. She was, by the way, an impeccable dresser. She was the loveliest lady that we knew. She's the queen of our home, our Durga Ma. There is nothing beyond Durga Ma, and she was ours. She was the personification of joy, love, beauty, and inner peace. And another thing is, she would always say is make yourself happy. Always make all yourself happy and be thankful. And that your life should always feel good and have appreciation, and that is something she did. She appreciated everything. If we can't come, she would say, that's okay, all you have all your life. When you can come, you come. She loved her 3 grandchildren dearly. I don't know, that is a different type of love, grandchildren love. So I have lots to say I can say about Mommy, but these are special little things that I know about her and experience with her. Our little Sunday evenings, Any little thing, every little thing. Calling her in the morning, "Mommy, what you doing?" "Well, I just relaxing. I pick my flowers. I'm going to do my puja." Every day. Those are her friends and family. Her puja room is everything for her. And we have followed that exact thing that Mommy did. She's an exemplar. As I said, she balanced our life for us. She helped us, and we did it. And we are balancing everything. Today, she is no longer here with us, and I pray that she give us the strength to move on without her physically here with us. I know she's always going to live in our hearts, and she will help us and help Daddy, and she'll help us to move on. It's her hot sunny day, and Lord Krishna is definitely bringing her home today. So thank you all for coming. We appreciate everything. All blessings. Jai Shri Krishna.
Blessings to you, Uri and Rishma, right? So at this point, I shall make a few important points, and then we shall move on. Lying before us are the mortal remains of an individual well known and well loved by each and every one. She started life the way we started life, each and every one, as a baby. In her case, a baby girl. And she began to grow. And as she grew, she performed various roles and functions. She was the daughter of someone you heard before. She became the mother, grandmother, mother-in-law, friend, neighbor, you name it. She performed a variety of roles, and she did each one excellently. So she has done her duty efficiently. We all came to do a number of things. Make a contribution to family life, make a contribution to society, make a contribution to culture, to religion, to God. Because He gave us the gift of life, and He told us what we should do. So she has lived a full life, a wonderful life. Obviously, we will always say, because of love, she could have lived longer, but that's not in our hands. That's in the hands of the Lord, that's karma. But what's the number of years she stayed here? She lived a full life, a wonderful wife. I'll talk about that in a while in relation to her husband. So these young men, you have done well to do this ceremony on behalf of your mother and father. I say blessings to you. Now, a few points again I wish to share. A Guruji once asked his followers, what is the greatest loss on the face of this earth? Now, that answer will depend on who you are. As many people there are, so many answers you will get. When they had all answered, he never said you're wrong, or you're right, or you're more wrong. Each person has an opinion, a view, and so they expressed it. When they were finished, then he said, well, I'll tell you how I see it. The greatest loss in life is not death. Now, I'm not being facetious or anything at all. The greatest loss in life is not death. So this has nothing to do with anybody. I'm not telling anybody anything. I'm making a comment based on the teaching of Guruji. The greatest loss is not death. The greatest loss is that which we lost as human beings while alive. That's a powerful, powerful statement. So what we all living, if we have lost kindness, generosity, compassion, love, you name it, if we have lost those virtues and values, that's the greatest loss. So your mother has done well together with her father and you all with your support. Now I'll come to your father. Nobody will know what it is like to one morning to get up, you stretch your hand, the bed empty. Very few of us, unless we have experienced that thing called death. He now is going through those experiences. So what would he need? Yes, he has to make all effort. He has to have courage and all of these things. But he needs you all around. Remember, if I am ill, you can get me the best medication, the best hospital, the best medical institution. But what matters most is a kind word, a gentle gesture, and a sweet smile. Those are the things that will make him move on and live on longer with you all. And I'm sure we all want him to live longer. But that depends on you. So that's your responsibility. Be there for him in the right way. Bear that in mind. I also want to share a few things on the ceremony itself. Many a time you hear, I went to the ceremony, I went to the funeral, and I just saw people doing arati and putting flowers and what have you. What does it all mean? Well, I can't explain all. Somebody mentioned it very hot. I don't know. I get in a good breeze, but that's okay. So just one or two simple explanations. The mala, flowers all represent love, caring, even sharing. You all gave her a flower or you gave her mala. Those who gave her the mala, what did you do? You burst the mala. Not because of wickedness. There's a specific reason why. So you burst the mala and then you place it around the neck on either side. Each flower represents one lifespan in the journey of life. For we all go back to metempsychosis, reincarnation. We all were here, we are here. And I'm saying reincarnation, that the theory is a fact. That's Hindu teachings. Reincarnation is a fact of life. We need to bear that in mind and don't use words like doctrine and theory and what have you. It's a fact of life. Scriptures mention that. So how many lives she lived? I don't know, you don't know. But God knows. So we make a mala using discretion to place around her, signifying each flower is a lifespan that was lived before. In a continuous journey of life, we have to bear in mind the point of reincarnation and live a meaningful life. It's meant to help us to make life make sense. So briefly, that's all I wish to say on the mala. Each one represents life lived in the past, and so we offer it. We don't know how many lives, but we trust that what we offer will be accepted. Then we place chandan on the forehead, but more importantly for me, the tulsi leaf. What is tulsi leaf, Saru? Huh? Now, flighter, bring it back. Get the tulsi and place it back, please. Or get another tulsi. When you put pressure on the lip like that, so it wouldn't You get it? Okay, great. Very good. You press it? You press it? Down? Okay, good. No, turn it the other way, the other way. Okay, well, keep looking at it and you know what to do. All right, we can't put glue, so you could press it down. Right, so I'll go to the tulsi leaf. Why do we put tulsi leaf on the lip of the deceased? You have heard many a time some say, don't put tulsi in Ganesh Prasad, but God bless them. I'll not talk about them. Don't put tulsi in Shiv Prasad, God bless them even more. They know. Lord Ganesh appeared and told them, I don't want tulsi. I never heard that. I never read it. So what is the purpose of this tulsi leaf? Tulsi, like all plants, have medicinal value, spiritual value. Mule tu sarvatirthani, sakha tu sarvadevata, patte tu sarvagyani, tulsi tu namamiham. I bow to you, Divine Mother. In your leaves, in your branches, in your root reside all the yagyas, all the holy ones, and all the religious places, pilgrimage sites. So if that is so powerful, why should I tell someone, don't use tulsi? So I'm not going to tell anybody that. I say put tulsi. But there's another reason why. And I want you to try it when you go home. Get a glass of impure water. Put a tulsi leaf and leave it for 2 hours. It's a challenge for anyone. Put a tulsi leaf and leave it for 2 hours and see the purifying nature of the tulsi that extracts the impurities and make the water pure. The moment the soul leaves the body starts to break down. I know nowadays we have embalming and what have you to prevent the putrefaction and what have you. But long ago it wasn't so. So we still continue that tradition of putting the tulsi to prevent the odor scent and the putrefaction of the body. To delay it. You can't stop it. It will happen. But you delay it. And that's why you put a tulsi leaf. What a wonderful thing we do in our rites and rituals. So there's more, but maybe some other time. Maybe for the Bhandara or what we have, if you have in satsang and so on, we could go in greater detail. So I thank you for your attention. I come now to my dear brother, a fine individual. I admire him. Together with Didi, they raised a wonderful family. And this family has always been loving and supporting to us in all ways when we have young, whatever it is. Whatever it is, they have always been very, very supporting. So my point to you all is, your father now will need the support that I was saying before. Be there for him. Support him. Give him all that he needs. Because none of us has experienced what it is like to lose a near and dear one like that. None of us. Satya Mata Pita Jnanam. Truth is my mother, knowledge is my father. So if my mother dies, what should I do? What will I hold on to? I have still hold on to truth. That's the creator of Hinduism. It tells us Satya Mata Pita Jnanam. And when it comes to the wife, it says Shanti Patni. The wife is peace. So his mind will be restless, many things will be happening, but you all have to be there to put him back on track. It will not be easy, but your presence, your kind words, your gentle smile and touch will help him and go a long way to make his life make sense. So practice truth, Satya Mata and Pita Jnanam, knowledge is my father. And I always have my parents alive with me. And I'm talking from experience, if you don't mind my saying that. Because some of us have lost mother and father and much more. So what are we living by? What are we holding on to? Not by guess, not by luck, not by chance. There's no such thing like that in Hinduism. Everything is based on karma. Straightforward. So there's a lot more I can say. One of the speakers mentioned something about unity. I want to end with that. We need to bear this in mind in the Hindu community, in the country, in the world. The word unity, I know you could spell. U-N-I-T-Y. Without you and I, there's no unity. We go further, community. Again, the word mentioned coming Bharatara community and this community. Good words. But without you and I, there's no community. Spirituality. Without you and I, there's no spirituality. So we need each other. We need to work with one another. And that's what life and living is all about. Being there for each other, supporting one another, and moving forward together. If not, how can we get ahead if we're going to get along? How? Not possible. So I don't want to go off too much on that, but those are wonderful things to bear in mind. I want now, we must join in prayer. No matter how many good things I say, no matter how many good things anybody say, it has no effect upon her. What matters is your prayers, your good wishes, and God's grace. So let us join together as we glorify the Lord. I love to use this simple bhajan, Prabhu Teri Charan Kamal Balihari. It's a Brahmanan bhajan that my father always sing, and I follow him, the Shankaracharya tradition. So we say, oh Lord, your mother, your father, you're the giver of life. Remember, parents gave us birth, God gave us life. I mean, we're grateful to God and parents for the gift of birth and the gift of life. So, oh Lord, Prabhu Teri Charan Kamal Balihari, your mother, your father, your friend, you're everything to me. Who am I? What am I? I'm a grain of sand in the vast shore of life. I'm a drop of water in the ocean. You are everything. Therefore, I prostrate to you. And we ask you, Divine Father, Supreme Force Almighty, to give this family the courage, the strength, the patience, the tolerance, the understanding, and the willpower to face up life in the absence of their dear mother. I remember who her mother is, very important. Satya Mata Pita Gyanam. Truth is my mother. In fact, this leads me to another point I almost forgot. Thank God. It's through the grace of God I will say to you. A brief incident. This situation is happening at a very peculiar time. And I talk on the election. Who are to win will win. Although we know who we want to win. Anyway, the thing is, Mother's Day is coming up. So this house will be without a mother for the first time. First time. So there's this incident I'll give you by way of motivation. A mother had to go to the market. So she had a basket and she was holding the baby in her hand. She reached the market, but she had to buy so many things. She couldn't hold the baby and fill the basket. So a lady was standing nearby with nothing to do. So she said, Mom or sister, can you help me? I'm just going to the market. When I'm finished, I'll return and you'll give me back my baby. She said, no problem. You always have people willing to help her, but you know what they have in their mind. Who can you trust? Oh God, leave it there. So she went, she made her purchase, she came back. So the lady was there, she said, okay, thank you, hand me my baby now. She said, what baby? What baby you want? She said, but I just gave my baby, you agree to hold the child. It's my child. The lady said, no, it's my child. See what happens? Who do you trust? Keep your head on. Whom do you trust? She's saying, my baby. Next one, the real mother said, my baby. So a big commotion. You know, people like Tamasha. So a lot of people come around. They love to hear both women quarreling, my baby, my baby. So they couldn't reach any conclusion. So the king was informed. That is a long time story, king and king. Guruji was informed. Oh. Sit down. So he called both ladies. He said, is this your child? Yes, yes, Guruji. Is this your child? Yes, Guruji. So the king called what we call the executioner. And he told him, whispered in his ear, what to do. So he went and he got a nice poya, cutlass. And he said, cut the baby in half and give them half each. When the real mother heard that, she shouted, no, I don't want the baby. Then the king said, that's the real mother. Because no mother while alive will want to see the child hurt or harmed in any way. That's the greatness of a mother. That's your mother, our mother. Don't forget Dharti Mata, Mother Earth. So let us join in prayer. Where the soul is, I don't know, you don't know, but God knows. And we appeal to Him, O Lord, Divine Father, Supreme Force Almighty. Accept our prayer. Shower your grace and mercy upon this family, and this soul came from you, may return to you. No matter how many lives it takes, O Lord, let the soul return to you. May we also return to you, for we are your children also. Prabhu Teri Charan, Kamal Balihari. O Prabhu Ji Tere Charan, Kamal Balihari. Prabhu Ji Tere Charan, Kamal Bali. Prabhu Ji Tere Charan, Kamal Bali. तुम पितु माता विश्व विधाता सकल जगत प्रतिपाल प्रभु जी तेरी चरण कमल बलि रचना सारी अचरज भारी सकल भुवन आधार प्रभु जी तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी ब्रह्मानंदा सब सुख कंदा सुन लो मेरी पुकार हो सुन लो मेरी पुकार गात्र भुजी तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी कमल बलिहारी कमल बलिहारी कमल बलिहारी प्रभु जी तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी प्रभु जी तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी गोविंद राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे गोविंद
गोविंद राधे गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे
गोविंद राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद
गोपाल राधे
आतव प्रिय भागवत प्रिय गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे आतव प्रिय भागवत प्रिय गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल राधे बोले श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की. I thought I would end, but I would just ask kindly to just sing a verse or a line with the chorus of a bhajan she heard just when we had a yag in Tulsi Manas last week. That's all. So I'll just do the chorus and maybe a verse. It's a Shiva bhajan. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Hari 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 Hare Tum Hare Dham Pyar Bhakto ke hitakar Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Shiva Om Shiva Om Hari Om Shiva Om Hari Om Kailash Pati Bhagavan Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Kailash Pati Bhagavan Neelakantha par tero naam Hare Tum Hare Dham Pyar Bhakto ke hitakar Hari Om Hari Hari Om Shiva Om, 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 Hari Om Shiva Om. Bole Sri Umapati Mahadev ki. And now we join in prayer. Om He Rama Purushottamam Narahare Narayana Keshava Govinda Garudhvaja Gunanidhe Damodara Madhava He Krishna Kamalapate Yarupate Sitapate Shripate Vaikundhadhipate Characharpate Lakshmi Pate Pahimam Pahimam Trahimam He Lakshmi Pate Om Anadinidino Deva Shankcha Gadadhara Akshay Punarikaksha Pitra Moksha Preta Moksha Prarobhava Om Iti Sri Uma Maheshwarai Krishna Govindai Namo Namah. We join in universal Tvameva Mata. Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sekha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti. Water. Shanti. Atma Shanti. Mata Atma Shanti. Om Tat Sat. Bole Shri Satya Sanatan Dharma ki Jai. Swaha Mata ki Jai. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. So offer you flowers. Now look at her. Is there anything that was left unsaid? Place it, bow, and then now we call your father. Huh? After, yes. So what will happen is the husband will come, share that special moment with that one whom he lived how many years, we don't know, who knows. And then you shall invite you all to come and offer a flower. How many years have you married for? Them?
54 years.
So 54 years of marriage, a record. This month. Let him come. Take your time, Dave, between you and her, nobody rushing. Whatever you need to say, whatever in your mind, what final words you could say. Take your time, say it. Until I go on, and you will take care of yourself and look after the family and the children.
ऐ मेरे आत्मा अब चल करे मिलन, अब चल करे मिलन, अब चल करे मिलन। परमानंद का अनुभव कर तो, परमानंद कर अनुभव कर तो, धन्य बना जीवन ज्योति बिंदु परमात्मा से। ऐ मेरी आत्मा अब चल करे मिलन, अब चल करे मिलन, अब चल करे मिलन। प्रभु की प्राप्ति का मूल मंत्र है ये संपूर्ण समर्पण। ऐ आत्मा चल प्रभु को सौंप दे, तू सारा जीवन। देख प्रभु मेरे निकट विराजे, देख प्रभु तेरे निकट विराजे, करले अभिवादन
ज्योति बिंदु परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल करे,
अब चल करे,
अब चल करे।
ज्योति बिंदु के प्रेम सिंधु में चल आज परम पिता का प्रेम पत्र बनकर तू शुभ किरण किरण को निरखनयन से, किरण किरण को निरखनयन से हो जा मन में मगन।
परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल करे,
अब
चल करे, अब चल करे।
परमानंद का अनुभव कर जो, परमानंद का अनुभव कर जो, धन्य बना जीवन।
ज्योति बिंदु परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल करे,
अब चल करे,
अब चल करे।
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव।
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव।
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव।
अच्युतं केशवं राम नारायणं, कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि।
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 श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव।
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे,
पङ्गुलङ्घ्यते गिरम् यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव
श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण कितनी भोली है प्यारी प्यारी है ओ माँ ओ माँ जो दुनिया है ये वन है कांटों तू फुलवारी है ओ माँ ओ माँ दुखन लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ दुखन लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ मेरे लिए जागी है मेरे लिए जागी है सारी दुनिया मेरी निदिया पे अपनी निदिया भी तूने वारी है ओ माँ ओ माँ अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई अपना नहीं
All right. Where them? Papu, Ajay, Nityam. Go down that side. Vijay. Where's the Vijay?
No, that's correct. Yes, yeah. And the person and doctor always talking about sheep. Anyway. You know, we always say next time we were somebody body. He
सत्य है राम नाम सत्य है सत्य है सत्य है सत्य है सत्य है I want it straight one time. Put on. Foot kill. Foot first. Foot kill. Put on foot. Foot good. Ready foot go first. Yeah. Flowers. All right.
A todos já.
Empty the next two. Kita mana tu? Ini empty. Nanti kau di. Kan di dia. One. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ini closer ni go, right? Right, okay. When we're standing right here, you lift the head and push out. Lift by the head and push it. Lift by the head. Give it for about 3 days. Yes. Yeah, come here. Come on. Right. Push all the things down. Grinding good. Yeah, grinding good.
Very fine.
Very much. Just like it.
Om Lobhya Swaha, Om Tvache Swaha, Om Lohitaya Swaha, Om Medobhya Swaha, Om Masebhya Swaha, Om Syayubhya Swaha, Om Astibhya Swaha, Majjabhya Swaha, Retase Swaha, Vayave Swaha, Ayasaya Swaha, Prayaya Sai Swaha, Sayaya Sai Swaha, Yaya Sai Swaha, Uddhya Sai Swaha, Shuche Swaha, Shochate Swaha, Shochamanai Swaha, Shokai Swaha, Tapse Swaha, Tapyate Swaha, Tapyamanai Swaha, Taptai Swaha, Dharamai Swaha, Nishkritye Swaha, Prayashtitye Swaha, Bheshajai Swaha, Yamai Swaha, Antakai Swaha, Mritve Swaha, Brahmane Swaha, Brahmahatyaye Swaha, Vishwebhyo Devebhyo Swaha, Yayu Pratilibhya Swaha. Pull it like a cup. After you water, I don't know if they come on the outside. Right? That's me. One at a time. You just put it in. No, but I right. Are we carrying this? Long time away.
Tu peux pas pour ça.
Yes.
Maharaj. Maharaj. Jai Brahmudi po.
Somebody got up here?
Satish.
I'm going to follow holy. Yeah, lift it back a little bit. Left. Left again. Behind the back. Left.
Kom naar binnen. Jullie zitten er, ik sta er niet zo. Hey, stop. Go ahead. Got to touch him on the wall. Only to the side. Right. Only to the side. Yeah. Touch it up. Mouth. Right side. Inside. Right side. Mouth left side. Head, mouth, middle. Ali, you can be calm down now.